She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Well, today's video is slightly different. I don't actually have a recipe for you guys, but this could be possibly a tasty product review. As you guys know, the fall season is steadily approaching. One of the flavors that I associate with fall is caramel. So I've seen a few of different, caramel everythings floating around here. And these happen to come up on one of my social media sites. And I thought, let me go ahead and give it a try. I love caramel, however you want to say it. And these seem like they were pretty much legit gourmet caramels. So I decided, hey, why not share it with you guys just in time for fall? If you guys love caramel just as much as I do, you might actually want to go out and try these. So I have a few different ones here that I plan on sampling for you guys. They have so many different flavors, guys. I'll put the information down in the description box below, just so you guys can know all the information if you're curious about it. So we're gonna just get into this. Like I said, they've got so many different flavors, and this is something I've been waiting to do for you guys for a minute here. So I've been holding back and not trying them so I could genuinely try them with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so one of the ones that we're gonna try first here is actually one of the original ones, and on the box here, they're so cute. They're like, these were the small mini ones, and then we've got some taller ones up here, but they're so cute in stature and size. I just love it. It seems like I could just eat this all to myself. Like I can have my own little personal stash. So we're gonna start off with one of the originals, which is sea salt vanilla. I went ahead and took all the it had little plastic tabs, and I just went ahead and took all of those off. Very nicely packaged, guys. Inside, ooh, it's like a little treat heaven, a little pouch of goodness. So let's go ahead and try the first one, guys. Again, this one is sea salt vanilla. I do love the wax paper effect on the caramel. I feel like that keeps it nice and fresh with that. So kudos to that. Let's smell it. Smells like caramel. Ooh. Alright, so I can see where we're going to start off with. Because this seems like this is probably a base caramel that they have. Even though it does have sea salt. Usually you do associate salt and caramel to go together. That's good, guys. I can taste the delicious caramel flavor. The butter. This tastes like definitely handcrafted, you guys, and it was so soft in texture. Oh wow, yeah, that was really good. So we're off to a good start, guys. All right, so this next one, ooh, so here we have another one. This next one we're gonna try is raspberry sorbet. I won't get no copyright, but raspberry sorbet. I changed it a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and try that one. I'm kind of excited about that one. Raspberry is one of my favorite flavors. Again, ooh, I can smell the raspberries on this one, guys. Right off the bat. Try one here. Again, the same packaging. Pretty much looks the same in color. I don't see anything different than the last. But I definitely smell the raspberry, so let's take a bite. Mmm. That's a good one. Definitely distinctively different than the sea salt and vanilla right off the bat. Because you can taste that raspberry flavor. Don't think I've ever had a raspberry caramel before. That's a good one, guys. All right, so we're going from fruit. We're gonna go now and switch it to coffee style. We've got the iced caramel latte. Who doesn't love a good iced caramel latte? Those flavors just definitely go together well. Mmm. I can smell a hint of like coffee bean. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, yeah. The creaminess of these things, guys, like I said, so buttery and creamy and soft. They practically just melt in your mouth. All right. So the verdict on the iced caramel latte, very good. I would say that one is a little more subtle on the lines of like that sea salt and vanilla. So far that raspberry sorbet is like pat. Ooh, now this is a classic flavor I think of when I think of caramel in fall, especially butter rum. I do love butter rum. Again, that's another classic. So I'm expecting this to just be really, really smooth, like a nice, you know, butter rum. You know, like those ones that used to come in the little wrappers. I want to say they were a popular candy company as well, and they have little treats that you could like unwrap them. And I think butter rum was one of the flavors, one of my favorites. This one would be perfect for like Christmas time. If you want to just set some candies out or sprinkle these within other candies, the candy dish. That's exactly what it reminds me of, those little butter rum candies. All right, moving right along, moving right along. I don't think we've tried this one yet, have we? Ooh, this is another flavor that I was looking forward to tasting when I picked it in the sampler. Tropical coconut. So how many of you have had that flavor combination before, tropical coconut? I'm just smelling them all because I'm just, that raspberry just got me like right off the bat. Like I said, it was just like, again, color is the same as the other ones. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Right off the bat, I'm getting it like a toasted coconut flavor. I love toasted coconut too, because I feel like when you toast the coconut flakes, it brings out more of the flavor. Tropical coconut. I don't know necessarily, maybe it's just tropical because a coconut's tropical. When you think of a coconut, you think of tropical. Because I don't taste anything tropical, but I definitely taste that coconut. So far, guys, I haven't had too many that have disappointed. And look at this, we got them make it rain. Getting a nice little stack of wrappers here. And so, okay, this one is another fruit combination. So on this one, we've got Harvest Apple. So I'm pretty sure you guys are probably waiting for that flavor. Like, Miss Shan, apple and caramel, duh. So here we go. Classic combination. Can't go wrong with apple and caramel. So far it seems like I'm a fan of the fruits. The fruit ones are definitely a nice combination. All right, so let me see. Yeah, we've tried all of the smaller ones now. So of course, like these are the bigger ones. I did get 3 in the pack for these larger ones. And I have this one off camera because it was a duplicate. I got another sea salt and vanilla, and that also came in one of the smaller packets as well. This is another classic one. This is butterscotch. Again, guys, color is the same. I can smell that butterscotch though, just like that butter rum. It's kind of crazy because I didn't think that there'd be too much difference between that butter rum and butterscotch, but I can tell the difference. Butterscotch has a little bit more of that butter flavor when you think of the butterscotch, butter rum. And now that I say it out loud, like, never really thought of that before. Like, it's butterscotch and butter rum. So the butter rum and the butterscotch, I would say probably my favorite one between those would be the butterscotch. And I'm not really a big butterscotch person. Like, I like the little butterscotch candies, but you know, I only really suck on those when I have to. The last one we're gonna try here, and I think I know which one it is probably one of the more unique ones that we have. This one is chocolate brownie. So let's see. And the chocolate brownie. Yeah. Of course, like I said, guys, it's just, you know, filled with the caramels in here. And look at the inside. Isn't the inside pretty too? I feel like the packaging is just like all of wonderful colors of just like the brown spectrum, you know, from the lightest to the darkest. Very nice packaging. Alright, so let's try this last one here, which is the chocolate brownie. Oh, okay, guys, so this one looks like the color is different, which we would expect because it is chocolate brownie. Okay, yeah, so look at this color, guys. This one is darker. Let me show you that one versus... So let's say this is... I'm going to sacrifice a caramel for you guys, so don't say I didn't give you anything. So this is, for instance, the sea salt one. And then this is the chocolate brownie. So you can see definitely the color difference. See that? I'm gonna try this. I'm excited. It smells like chocolate. Okay, now. Right off the bat, I taste that chocolate. Alright, you guys. So that one was unexpected. Might have to hit that one more time. I felt like I was eating like a chocolate brownie, but then it was the kind that had the caramel inside. You know those brownies. Like I said, all of their caramels have a great consistency to them. They're buttery, creamy, decadent. I feel like someone made these caramels just for me. I made these myself. Alright guys, so we ran through them things. I do have my favorites. As I said, I did like the raspberry sorbet. And then I also love the chocolate brownie. So I'm kind of like, if I was, you know, depending on what kind of mood you're in, that iced caramel would probably be really good. Like, you could probably even put that in your coffee or something, like drop a couple in your coffee or a drink. That would be good. Definitely recommend that apple too, because that was a classic pairing with the apple. So was the butterscotch and the butter rum. Those two were classic combinations for the caramel to pair with. So again, guys, this was from caramels.com. They do say on the container, small batches and big memories. I definitely agree with that, because I felt like each one that I tasted just kind of brought back like just the nostalgic flavor to where I can relate to and say, okay, yeah, there's that flavor, there's that flavor. So guys, I think I would definitely go ahead and give these a try if I were you, because they are pretty tasty, especially if you do like the caramels. As I was looking at the other packaging here, because now that I think about it, I've actually bought another one of their products. Looks like they have a family of products, the Goat Foods family products. And so I had some pretzels, and they came in a container similar to these, a cylinder container, but you know, it was packaged different. And yeah, there's the pretzel. So there's the pretzels right there that they have. I had those, and they're really, really good. They also have different flavors of those. And it also says they have taffy.com and the caramels.com. Chocolate.com, that's probably a good one too, guys. Cashews.com. Let me see that. And then also, what does that one say? Licorice.com. So these are all within this GOAT, the GOAT family. So I would definitely go ahead and give them a try. Yeah, it does say their current family of brands are licorice.com, pretzels.com, caramels.com, chocolate.com, taffy.com, and cashews.com. So they are a close-knit family business of confectionery connoisseurs. Love it. They're obsessed with delivering the very best and truly unique collections directly to your doorstep. Our team of chefs work tirelessly to innovate each and every product we offer. Whether you purchase for yourself or receive as a gift, we welcome you and hope you enjoy our gourmet goods as much as we enjoy making them from you. From our family to yours, it's personalized Adam, Jonathan, and Sarah, the founders of the GOAT Foods. That's so sweet and nice that they kind of give you a little personalization, because I felt, like I said, that they made these caramels just for me. You know what I'm saying? Well, I know that they didn't, but they tasted like they put a little bit of love in their stuff. So I will definitely be trying a couple more of the products from the GOAT family brand, GOAT Foods family brand. Probably that cashews will be next. I would love that. And these are all great holiday ideas, guys. They're packaged beautifully, so someone will definitely feel like you put a little bit of thought into their present, and it's just not a box of candies or caramels or nuts or whatever their favorite might be, guys. But definitely go ahead and check them out. As I said, everything will be in the description box below for you guys to check out. Truly in time for fall, guys, so definitely, if you like caramels, try any of these flavors and you'll probably like it. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Just a little bit something different for you guys. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know, of course, if you like caramel. Or how do you pronounce it? Is it caramel or caramel? Whichever. It still tastes the same to me. Share this video out. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. So much. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing and also hitting that notification bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video or a product review. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.